I've come bearing good news today. And the good news is you already have something AI can amplify, which you can earn from. Trust me. You don't need to start all over. You don't need to become technical. You don't need to compete with anyone. AI works best when it supports what you already know, and that is exactly what I'm talking about today. That is exactly what this video is about today. This video is not about overnight success. Let me sound that warning. It is not about overnight success. It is about simple, realistic, and consistent ways people like you are using AI to earn without stress, noise, or burnout. By the end of this video, you will understand where AI fits into everyday skills, how people like you are quietly earning with it, how you can start without pressure or confusion. So, let's dive right into it. AI do faster and better is not here to replace your skill. Yes, AI is here to do faster and better, but not here to replace your skills. It is here to remove the friction and stress around you. If you already write, teach, research, organize, communicate, or design, AI can help you move faster and better. Someone who used to spend hours preparing content now finishes in minutes. This is because AI has removed the struggle, and it means more output, less stress, same skill. But remember to put in your authenticity to make it relatable, and that is the first income door. Many people are stuck not because they lack experience, but because they don't know how to present it. So you can help others to clarify their career stories. And you can use AI to do this. That is, AI helps you support others with CV revamping. That is, they want to rewrite their CV or they want to write it from the scratch. They want to optimize their LinkedIn profile. AI can help you to do that. You can use AI to help others to do that. Interview preparations. You can help others with interview preparations using AI. It is about helping people make sense of what they already have. If you have ever helped a friend to write a CV or prepare for an interview, even if you have not, you can use AI to do this. Yes, you can use AI to improve on this, or you can use AI to start this. Let me say this gently. Sometimes you don't need plenty sources of income. You just need one or two that are clear. Because it is not about overwhelming yourself with different sources of income. It is about focus and consistency. That is what AI can do for you. Another thing is content creation without pressure. Many people want to share ideas, but they get stuck even before they begin. No, The ideas don't just come. The ideas don't come. AI removes the barrier. It helps you draft content, organize thoughts, and stay consistent. However, you must still bring your unique voice, your human judgment, and your experience, your personal touch. You can earn by managing content for others, writing professionally for other people, building your own platform, that is, building your personal brand, and you can also earn from it. AI does not replace your authenticity. It helps you to protect and reserve your energy. Also, AI can help to create simple digital products that help people. A digital product doesn't need to be complex. It just needs to answer people's questions clearly. With AI, you can structure your ideas, improve on your clarity, and package your knowledge. For example, you can create digital products like checklists, guides, templates, workbooks, and so on. People want digital products that reduce their stress or confusion and has value, not just information. Another thing is AI-supported services that can help you play the long term. This is where things become sustainable. Instead of selling AI, you sell your thinking, your insights, and your reliability. Here, AI helps you to do the background research, the drafting, the organization, and the planning. After all, clients will not ask you what tool you used. They only care about how smoothly things run, and AI can help you to achieve this. This is where you build trust and your income starts growing over time sustainably. I want you to know that AI income is not about learning everything. It is about using one or two things well. Most people fail because they just rush into it. However, the people who win, they start with clarity. Because there's so much noise on social media, sometimes you don't even know where to start from. You are overfed with information. It can be overwhelming. That is where clarity comes in. Start with what you have. Start from where you are. Use what you know initially, and let AI support you. And if you still feel stuck and you need clarity on how to start, I'm going to drop a link in the description box for you to book a one-on-one clarity section with me. I'm sure this video has helped you to see AI differently, not as pressure, but as support. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, the like button, put on your notification bell, and I want you to comment. And remember, you don't need to be scared of AI. You only need to position yourself with it, especially with what you already have. Allow AI to support you with what you have already, and to earn from it. Yes, AI is here to support you, not to overwhelm you, not to scare you. Thank you for joining me again today. I will see you in my next video.